Most people think working harder is the key to success. But what if I told you? Working hard alone might be the reason you're still stuck. There was a young man. Every single day he worked non-stop. Early mornings, late nights, no breaks. He believed one thing. If I just keep working hard, one day my life will change. But weeks passed, months passed. Nothing changed. Same money, same stress, same life. He saved every dollar he earned, never spent, never invested, just saved and saved and saved. He thought he was being smart, but deep down, he felt stuck, like running on a treadmill, moving but going nowhere. One day his father visited him. He looked at his son, tired, frustrated, drained, and asked one simple question. Why do you look like a man who is working, but not growing? The son replied, I'm saving everything. I'm doing the right thing. The father smiled and shook his head. The father took him outside and showed him two things, a bag of seeds and a jar of money. He said, if you keep this money, it will stay the same. But if you plant these seeds, they will grow, multiply, and feed you for life. Then he looked him in the eye and said, effort is like money. If you only save it, it dies. But if you invest it, it grows. That day changed everything. The young man stopped just working hard and started working smart. He learned new skills, took risks, tried new things. At first, it was uncomfortable, even scary. But slowly, things started changing. Opportunities came. His income grew. His confidence skyrocketed. For the first time, he wasn't just surviving, he was growing. Most people are like who he used to be, working hard, saving energy, playing it safe, but never growing. Listen carefully. Hard work alone doesn't change your life. Growth does. So don't just save your effort, invest it. Build something, learn something, start something. Because the life you want will never come from standing still. It comes from growth. One small investment today can change your entire life tomorrow.